Kambi mar keyo teko sitima e pacho kae Kenya Power yango midhiero masani okwako sekta no kalore gi timbe mag muko sirni kod gige keyo teko sitima ma osebedo ka dhi mbele gwenge ma ugwe kata Lower Eastern. Gino makoro rocho chenro mar keyo teko sitima e pacho ka mangima. Kambi no oyango ni transformers maromo 25 osemuki kendo kethi e kaunti ma Machakos. Higa mokalo kende ka higa mar 2023 ne giketho transformers maromo 30. Midhiero makama bende okwako counties ma Nairobi kama transformers 85 nokethi higa mokalo. Gino ma osekelo lal maduong' e sekta no. Kano wuoyo manokelo kanyakla gi jodak ma Machakos. Director mar Kambi no e alwora ma Nairobi Hicks Amumbo awaswa okwedo timbe makamage.
I have complained this many times. My complaint has landed to Dr. Sirol's office, and it is on how you undertake your disconnections. It is very, very unprofessional. Extremely unprofessional. You have people who have already paid, and she is here, she can confirm. Mimi nalipanga bili yangu 12 months to the time I'll spend that steamer. Am I right or am I wrong, Ruth?
You're right.
And when these characters from Kenya Power come to disconnect where I'm doing my business, they come and disconnect all of us. I don't know what is the problem. Is it an issue with some of the wale technicians when we are Wajasoma, or what is the problem? Number 2 is the element of power blackouts and outages. Actually, the entire country is convinced that Kenya Power imeshindwa na kazi yake.
If we have kila boma tu kuwe na stima, iwake tuwekewe mita tukiwa tunalipa. Even if it's political, Kenya Power is an entity, you can diversify your services, ifikie kila mmoja. Mpaka ule mwenye fuko kwa kijiji uko ndani kabisa huko tunatanga rural kabisa, yumfikie.
Kenya Power is facing issues with vandalism, and it is us, the residents, who are vandalizing those equipment that Kenya Power is using to provide services to us. Sometimes we even reject some services to be provided. At the same time, we also need those services.
Nairobi will lead because of the demand for copper, the demand for scrap metal. Machakos has been a challenge, and now the rural setup because of access. Streetlights be something that the national government can adopt. It is factored into the bills that the national government has, so that now we as Kenya Power have the responsibility to maintain the street lights and ensure that the lights are on for the safety of the common mananchi.